don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Kaya.
Hola, Sibo.
Fede.
I'm Nandi Gajan.
I'm Nandi.
Sharp, Sibo.
What went wrong for you, Pirates?
Sibo, Kala before congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Chiefs edlalile.
Sure.
Second half, Chiefs edlalile.
Into
inkinga Sibo ne.
Yeah.
Ucoach wethu.
Yeah.
Ku second half.
Sure.
Ukhipha unkolo. Ukhipha uKhawula Makhetleni.
One.
Yinjini yethu uKhawula Makhetleni.
Yes.
Umkhipha kanjani uKhawula Makhetleni?
Adla.
Khawula Makhetleni akana yellow card.
Yeah.
Akana next.
Yes.
Uya perform much better than uTito.
Yes.
Namhlanje.
Yes.
I thought mina uzokhipha uDlamini. Ngabini uzokhipha uTito afaka uDlamini.
Yes.
So that sizokhona ukudlala.
Yes.
Manje ukhipha injini yethu kusenze kanjani? Anyway, Sibo umntana wethu bekaboshwe for 10 years. Ezumzala umntana wakho mabambophile bambopha for 10 years Sibo mele kube uwe yomkhipha ngithi.
Sure.
Because umzala ngithi.
Yes.
She's beboshwe for 10 years bekumele thisho ubaba wayo.
Yes.
Yithi Tamale Chiefs.
Yes.
Yithi Tamale Chiefs.
Yes.
Bekumele soyikhipha vele.
Yes.
Congratulations to Chiefs to man of the match yami namhlanje. Just because of kule midfield. Awumart udlalile uMart.
Yusuf.
uMart udlalile namhlanje.
Yusuf.
Second half.
Yeah.
Utshengisile uMart ukuthi amakhipha uKhawula Makhetleni because bekaloka busy. Man to man uKhawula Makhetleni.
Sure.
Uthe makukhitha uKhawula Makhetleni.
Yeah.
Waphakama uMart. Bafaka uDukuris.
Yes.
Bafaka uMduduzi Shabalala.
Yes.
Waqala uMart wadlala lamabhola manje uMart.
Sambon.
Nambona uMart. After that wakora futhi uMart.
Hey ndoda.
You know why? Overpowered midfield yePirates second half.
Sure.
Yeah. Ithukota yami idlalile namhlanje ukhipha uNkotha. Why? Umsapha uNkotha. Anyway,
Rivero no.
Sibo, Rivero ne. Mina usebenzela Rivero even if iyahamba mina ngijabulile.
Yeah.
Ngijabulile too much. Even if iyava Rivero ngijabulile. Whoever coach is going to come and coach Pirates still ngizomsupporta lo coach. Rivero usinike yonke into ebesifuna.
Ngiyakubona. Yeah.
Umuphi umnye coach ozopromotela ama players I5. Namhlanje. Sibo. Kula ma season so far. iPirates idlalile Sibo. Okoqala Sibo upromote intwana ezi5.
Yes.
Ifatigue vele bekhona. uTito bekane fatigue namhlanje. uTito udlalile namhlanje Sibo.
Angibona.
Akadlalanga uTito namhlanje. If uTito bekadlalile namhlanje njengale game badlale last, Pirates bezowina. Ifatigue bram. You need to rotate ama players.
From where?
From where?
Question is fatigue from where?
Tito udlala amagame amaningi Tito. Dani uDlamini. Dani uDlamini udlalile uTito kule game namhlanje dololo. So that is why ngithi mina kule second half, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs idlalile much better than Pirates.
Yes.
This game is one of those games that you have to accept it and go home.
Yeah.
What else do I want? Nothing, Steve. I have to accept the Bengifuna, but I have to accept the lose.
Yeah.
Because of the substitutions.
The substitutions of the coach.
That is wrong. All of those substitutions were wrong.
Very wrong.
We are honest, Steve. Otherwise, sharp of it.